When you open your senses to nature, your mind naturally quietens. Welcome to day 5 of Becoming Your True Nature. I'm Deleth, and today we're reconnecting through and with the natural world. Today's practice is beautifully simple and deeply grounding. I'm inviting you to reconnect with nature through your senses. You may choose to step outside, go to a woodland, into a park, along a river, into your garden, or down a quiet street that has trees. Or if you're indoors right now, you can still follow along by opening your senses to whatever nature is available to you. Through a window, a houseplant, the sky, or even the natural world that you imagine. Both are equally powerful. This practice helps you come back into your body and supports your nervous system to settle naturally. Forest bathing and nature connection teaches us that when we open our senses, our whole being softens. Because when we slow down, we return to presence. And we reconnect with ourselves and the world around us. If you do go outside later, wrap up warm and take this practice with you. You may wish to bring your journal to note what you noticed. And you can walk, stand, or sit, whatever feels most natural and right for you today. So let's begin. First of all, arriving. Wherever you are right now, pause for a moment. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Feel the earth holding you. Notice the air touching your skin. Notice the space around you. It only takes minutes for nature to begin bringing us back into balance. And the science shows this again and again. Even 5 minutes of sensory connection can shift your state of being. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. Let yourself arrive just as you are, whether you are outside or indoors. Sense one, sight. Allow your gaze to soften. Rather than focusing sharply on one thing, let your eyes take in the wider scene. Look around you. What do you see? Notice something that draws you in. It might be light reflecting on a surface, the shape of a branch, seasonal colours, movement in the sky, the texture of bark or water shifting. Let yourself linger with it, gazing at whatever you are noticing. Take in the shapes, the shadows, the colours, and the subtle details, and let your eyes settle and soften. And if you would like, you can pause the video here and stay with sight and look and notice for a few moments or minutes longer. Sense 2, sound. Now gently shift to listening. What can you hear? Birds singing, wind, footsteps, distant voices, water, silence, or something rhythmic, or something almost inaudible. Let the soundscape come to you and surround you, and listen in layers, near, far, familiar, unfamiliar. Let the sound draw you into the presence of sound. And you may wish to pause the video and listen fully for a few minutes, noticing what you hear. Sense 3, touch. Bring attention to the sense of touch, feeling the ground beneath your feet, feeling the temperature of the air on your skin that is exposed, feeling your clothing resting on your skin and how that feels. If it feels right, gently touch something natural. A tree, a leaf, a stone, a plant. Touching the texture of wood or earth nearby. Notice firmness or softness, warmth, coolness. Touch quietly brings you home to your body. And notice what you experience as you connect in this way. You can pause the video here and explore more through your sense of touch. Sense 4, scent. Take a slow breath in through your nose and notice any scent, smells in the air. What do you smell? Is it earthy, crisp, damp, smoky, fresh, neutral, subtle, alive? Let scent anchor you more deeply into this moment. And if you'd like, pause the video and notice the smells more fully and explore with scent. Sense 5, taste. As you breathe, notice the subtle taste of the air. It may feel or taste cool, fresh, woodsy, minerally, or simply neutral. Taste is gentle and often overlooked, yet it can bring you fully into presence. And you may wish to pause the video here to explore taste. Now we will integrate. Now pause in this stillness. Feel where you are standing or sitting. Feel the space around you. Feel the earth beneath your feet. You've just opened all 5 senses. A beautiful and simple way to return to yourself with the natural world. Notice how you feel now. Just notice. Perhaps more grounded, quieter inside, simply more aware your senses have been awakened. And later, if it feels good, you might make a short note about what you saw, heard, touched, smelled, or tasted, and how that felt to you. What did you enjoy? What gave you pleasure? And this practice strengthens your connection to nature and to your true nature. If it feels right, you can share in the comments what you noticed from today's practice, even if it was subtle. Tomorrow, day 6, we're gently going to release emotional residue held in the body using breath and loving presence. If you'd like to continue the journey, please subscribe so each practice arrives with ease. Thank you for being here today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.